Yes, nowadays illegal immigrants can get life insurance, even though they would not have a social security number. But there's certain carriers nowadays are offering life insurance protection for illegal immigrants with just a tax ID number, which could be obtained. And most of these people do have tax ID numbers. If not, it could be obtained pretty easily by talking to an attorney or your CPAs and obtain that. And then we can provide you with life insurance. There will not be the highest amounts, but there's just adequate amounts of life insurance with the cash monies being returned to you at the end of the term while you're going through the lengthy process of immigration, protecting your family, which I feel is significantly important, as those costs of obtaining the immigration status here are significant, and it takes a number of years. People are working, providing for their families, and they're probably not very wealthy, trying to make something established in the land of opportunity, and if they don't have the adequate protection, it becomes even more difficult. And these policies are very unique, the way that they're formed, and we'll be glad to talk to you if you have such status. You haven't gotten your green card or you're not legalized yet. We'd love to help you out because we do have the means to do so.